wanted to show you guys something I'm super duper 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 excited about.
I could sit around and tell you all about how I want to live my life and try to make it happen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was so much energy. So today's goal is to batch record. My mom got surgery on her shoulder. She needs some help. Just gonna go up there for a couple days, help her out. You know what it do. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm trying to film as many videos as I can and have something for you guys and not just disappear like I usually do. That being said, I'm gonna try and do like an Inception type of deal. So I'm gonna be vlogging, but on top of that, I'm gonna try and do some recipes, you know, some recipes. It's funny the way you say recipes, right? Like the way it's spelled and the way you say it.
Sounds like a French word.
Yeah.
Recipe.
Like it should have it should for sure have an S in it and a U. Tangent. We're vlogging, but in addition, I'm gonna be doing some recipe videos. Can't even talk. Okay, Alex, do I look like a turkey? Because you're roasting me.
Roasting me?
Yeah, you're roasting me.
You look pretty, Amber.
What am I gonna do first? I don't know. Oh, you're all done?
I think you should eat first.
So fast. Yeah, I haven't really eaten all day. I had my coffee and I had one of these. I ran into Aldi the other day just to grab a few things for what I'm gonna be making today. I am obsessed with these elevation bars that you can get at Aldi. So there's cranberry almond, there's peanut butter fudge crisp, there's caramel nut, and I have all the flavors. Oh, Alex saw me pull this out. What do you want? This? This sugar-free candy. Okay. This is my last one, Alex. Being a parent is giving your last.
No, it's not. It's giving her all.
Which means you're last.
It's not.
You're first, you're last, you're middle.
I'm over here making a waffle for myself. I'm like, yeah, I'm just going to taste good. I'm probably not going to taste it. So I saw these. These I think are a new item. They have 15 grams of fat. They are 16 total carbs, 11 grams of dietary fiber, which makes it a total of 5 net carbs. 3 grams of sugar, 8 grams of protein, gluten-free, and it tastes like peanut butter and jelly. What? Alex likes it too, which she literally likes everything that I get for myself. So let's get this day started, even though it's not the beginning of the day. You didn't have to know that.
But I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you.
So these are the waffles I just put some spreadable butter on and popped them in the oven at 400 degrees. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I could have put them in the air fryer, Aaron said, but sometimes when I put stuff in there, they just fly around like crazy. These are okay. They're not the worst. They're not the best. I like the ones that I make better, which I'll leave that link down in the description box below. I mean, they're good. They get the job done when you're in a rush and I haven't like prepared a batch. That's what I plan on doing today, but I don't know. I have so many things to do in a day, so I don't know if I'll get around to it, but I like to make like a huge batch of the waffles and then freeze some, refrigerate some, so that I don't have to pay however much these cost. How much was this box? I don't know how much it was. It was overpriced, but I just wanted to try it. They are 6 net carbs. We got these at Target. Oh, for 2 waffles. But the ones that I make are how many net carbs? But yeah, that's what I'm having for breakfast. So it's been like 3 minutes maybe, and it looks like they're ready to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Ooh, yeah, baby. The the consistency. It's kind of crumbly. I like to sprinkle a little cinnamon on it.
Is it done? Is it done? Should I eat that? Okay.
That burger looks so small in your hands. You got some paws. So I'm using my Chalk Zero maple syrup. Alright, so breakfast was delicious, and now I'm about to prepare to start filming recipe number 1, which may or may not be up before this. Let's prepare. Okay, so basically I have everything prepared. I'm gonna be making that viral TikTok feta pasta, and I made it a few weeks ago. It was so delicious, and I used real pasta. But in my head, I'm like, there's gotta be another way to do this, like with less carbs. Aaron liked it, Alex liked it, so it kind of beats it to hit. And I was like, let's try and make a low carb version of this. So that's what I'm gonna be filming. I'll check back in with you guys when it's all done. All right. So I put my stuff in the oven, and now I have 30 minutes. Now, do I sit down for this 30 minutes or keep going? I think I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, sitting down's a good choice. Okay, so I'm like super flustered, trying to film, trying to make sure I have everything ready to go. And then Alex comes and asks me for some sprinkles, right? And I'm like, okay, it's just a few in a Ziploc bag, no big deal. I turned around, and what did I see? This. Just everywhere, just sprinkles. Another mess for us to clean up. Go get your broom so you can sweep. Have kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Help.
You need to be able to control your body.
I can do that. That looks easy enough.
Huh?
That looks pretty easy.
To be like this, yeah, but to bounce as high as I was bouncing completely high off this thing. I can't do it now.
Bounce them around, bounce them around, bounce.
I can't bounce as high as I was before because I don't want her to fall and hurt herself.
I am exhausted from filming that video. It's not a hard recipe, but it takes a lot out of you because you gotta think about so many different things. So I went to my chiropractor last Friday, and he said that I should be taking 20-minute breaks 5 times a day, where I don't look at any screens, don't do anything, just go lay down. I just find that very difficult to do, but I see where it could benefit. He said realistically I should be coming to him once a week because my stuff is so jacked up and has been for so many years, but insurance only covers 2 times a month, so that's when I'm going, 2 times a month. He said there's a lot of work to be done. I think I was trying to do too much. I really thought I was gonna get up, vlog, do another video, and then another video. No. I think I've reached capacity. Aaron does a good impression of Vin Diesel. No, not Vin Diesel. Not Vin Diesel. He does a good impression of Denzel Washington. I don't know how, I just got them mixed up. I think it's pretty decent, actually. Give me your Denzel.
Look! There's my daughter! That's probably not that great, but...
Okay, give me DMX.
I'm saying, up there, I came home. I was like, Shorty, where the food at? I've been working all day. Ain't got no food on the stove. What I'm gonna eat? I'm hungry. Don't be greedy. Give to the needy. Let us pray. Dear Lord, God, Heavenly Father.
The next day.
So in my heart and soul, I really wanted to be able to do all the things yesterday when I was starting to film, and then I just wore myself out and I got super tired, and I literally went to sleep after that, filming that last clip. But today's a new day. I wanted to show you guys something I'm super duper 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 excited about. I'm sure normal people would not be as excited as I am. But hear me out. Just hear me out. Hear me out. Look what I got. Is that not the cutest little waffle maker? It's so freaking cute. It's leopard. It's a leopard. What? I'm sorry. When I saw this on Amazon, I was like, honey, you need to come home with me. Granted, it's a little pricier than the regular Dash waffle maker. Probably like $10 more, if I'm being honest. But see, the thing is, I need it because, like, sometimes, I mean, the Dash, it's cool. It's been holding on for the 3 years that I've had it since I showed you guys in my waffle video. But I can only make one at a time. And, like, first world problems, I need to at least be able to make 2 waffles at a time. So, I'm prepping my waffles to take with me to my mom's house. So, let me show you what I got going on. Isn't it just so cute? Oh, I think these are time to come out. Yep. Now I got 2. I got 2 waffle makers. I got 2 waffle makers. I got 2 waffle makers. Hey, 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 hey. This is just, it's life-changing for me, honestly. It's just beautiful. I just want you to know. Oh, that one got a little burnt, but it's okay. But like I said before, if you guys want to know how I make these waffles, click that link in the description box below. We're almost at like 88,000 views on that video. Like, what is life? How? Who are you people? But you see, here I am still making them. I made that video in 2017. It's 2021. Oh, it's not 3 years. It's 4. Jesus. Is it 3 years? 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 4 years. Okay. I did not realize that much time had passed. Also, let me know if you want me to do an updated video on how I make the waffles now, because I don't do them exactly the same as I did 4 years ago. After making them so often, I've definitely, like, made the recipe a bit different. But let me know if you want to know. It's like almost 10 o'clock at night, so I've been pretty busy the whole day, but I just haven't filmed anything. I've been doing, like, obviously packing, little cooking and cleaning. Yeah, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging with like a 5-minute vlog because that's all it would have been. That's it. Oh, you want to bring that over here? Oh, you can't bring that over here. So it's pretty late, but I really got to get these videos in. I'm still gonna have to edit this stuff, etc, etc, but for the most part I'm gonna be helping my mom out, so yeah. Also, it would be helpful if you guys let me know what kind of videos you want to see, or as far as length goes, do you want them to be longer, like closer to 20 minutes, or shorter, closer to 10 minutes? Let me know. I want to give you what you want. I'm gonna give you what you want. Just let me know. If you know, you know. What is this on my face? Is that cream cheese? Oh, yeah.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
Alright, well, I am exhausted. That is gonna do it for me. Good night, good luck, good riddance. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.